Alright, welcome again after booting. The sound that you may hear is heat, warmth. So yeah, I'll just keep it on. So VirtualBox, is it there? Oh yeah, baby. Let's make a template. So add, no, not add. Well, I probably could, but let's do a new and create our template. Microsoft Windows, let's not do that. ArcoLinux 64 is good, but there's something called ArcoLinux 64 which is better. There's nothing better about it, it's just the name. Enable UEFI, next, around 30-ish, next, finish, edit again. At this point this doesn't work, so I'm not going to activate it. System USB, yes, good. This one goes on default all the way up. VMSVGA, don't do this one. Maybe you can do that one, right? Depends on hardware. And then one I just click off for tiling window manager, so you know that. And that's it, I'm ready. So we're gonna clone this and we're gonna call it just mint, right? Mint window, what version it is? No, I don't. Finish. Let's see what version we've done with it. Linux Win 21.1. Yes, still early, my voice is still very, how do you say that, heavy. There we go, Control F, full screen. Nice logo. This is Plymouth, if you're wondering and wanna Arch Wiki Plymouth thing. So P-L-Y, Muth, M-O-U-T-H. Plymouth. Ooh. I do recognize the cursor, right? I do recognize the cursor. It's a black one, though. It's a black one. Alright, Control F, Control F. Too bad. We'll have to go into the settings, which is this button, and all the way down, display. Yes, I'm ready for you if the display is ready for me. This one, apply. Keep the configuration, buy, and here we have their installer. English is good, we're good to go with English. Not the keyboard though. Belgian. Alright, continue. We wait for the little. Nope. Not gonna play any videos on it. Move, move, move. Erase and install Linux Mint, go for it. Don't care what you do to my VirtualBox. I'm in Brussels. Login automatically, continue. Voila. That's done. So we've got wallpapers. Let's have a look. Wallpaper is the biggest part of your system. Linux Mint wallpapers. Off we go. Let's find ourselves some Linux Mint. These guys are on GitHub. Linux Kits distro wallpapers collection of, you see, of other distros. Here we have Linux Mint somewhere else. Linux Mint, the official one. Did they change? here is Linux Mint at the bottom, right? So that's where we need to go. You take your bookmarks, is it? Show bookmarks toolbar, put it on there, remove the rubbish, delete bookmark. We got this. So repositories, wallpaper, nope, background, nope. Let me scroll through. Cinnamon desktop maybe. Would be surprised if the wallpaper's in here, so let's keep looking. Mint themes is something I need. Warpinator is an application. Xet is an application. Mint install we can't use on Arch, right? Cinnamon spices themes. Mint upgrade, nope. Brand logo, that might be nice. Cinnamon screensaver, XApp, an application thingy. Recent favorite documents. Mintsync is what we've been using 5 years on ArcoLinux. Burn USBs. Mint drivers, Mint common. Slick Reader is something you can install on Arch. Mint X icons, yes. So wallpapers, guys. Wallpapers. Okay, show me. Control F. Oh, it's almost done. Almost finished copying files. Always better to be in the real thing than in the live environment. You see sometimes people staying in the live environment and they're recording everything, and I think, oh my god, right? Don't do that. Install the thing and then you'll see for real what it looks like. Oh, it's not finished yet. Sure. App sources, there was this Synaptic, I think, Synaptic Package Manager that they have. Show this dialog, nope. Search wall, search again. Let's see if it's called wallpaper. Lots of budgie wallpapers I see already. Ubuntu wallpapers, YouTube download. Okay, background them. Backgrounds. So all the green stuff is installed. All the rest isn't. So grub PC, grub bin, PC bias version. Whatever that means. Plymouth. That's how it's written. Here are the backgrounds. Mint background Vanessa or Vera. Maybe this one. Double click. Properties maybe. I want to know where it's coming from, right? So it is backgrounds, that's something already. Mint backgrounds Vera. The GitHub reference I do not see. So Control F again. Backgrounds Vera. Why can't I find the backgrounds Vera? Let us Google. Linux Mint backgrounds Vera. We have here the index of pool. Now I'm not having the reflex you should have, and that's actually yay something, right? Yay is there on Carli. So yay mint Vera background. Let's see. Right? Stupid Eric, stupid. Just go to the AUR. That's why Arch is so popular. Anything is there. And if not, you just create a package builder, you got it. Alright. Eric. Right mouse click, change desktop backgrounds. Vera is here. Ugh, it's not the one I want, right? I want a Linux Mint thing. Okay, too bad. So back to this one. Yay, Mint. Let's see what we have. Control Shift plus. Yes, that's it. Mint X icons, Mint themes, Mint Y icons. I need that one. 8. I need Mint themes. 6. I need Mint stick. We have that on Arco, but not here. So Mint stick Git as well. Mint artwork, whatever it is. 10 as well. Mint locale. Mint themes Git. What's the other one then? That's the Git version. Mate menu. Mint backgrounds. Rosa, Sereno. Tara. Mint backgrounds. Maybe it's number 20. Let's see. And voila, it just built all packages, and if none of them is bad, if all the packages are correct, voila, it just gets installed. The wonders of AWAR. Here we get all the wallpapers. Rebecca, Serena, Sarah, Sylvia. They're into women, that's for sure. Juliana, Una, Vanessa. They really like their women. And always 50 megabyte, right? 50, around 50 megabyte. Mint Y icons. With this we can get very far, of course, in our rising. This is in a one-time stop. Otherwise it would be looking, where is it on the internet, where can we find it, download the package, extract packages. No. This is just way more fun. The long route or the fast route? I always will take the fast route. Mint backgrounds, Julia is installed. Probably have already some stuff to select. So first of all, the settings needs to be off again. Back to the settings. Really like my background, or this one. But right, the what if I would like to have something Linux Mint like. There is a nice logo. It's a beautiful one. Gloria, Linux Mint, from Freedom came elegance. Now every distro has to think up a line, right? So did we. Do you know ours? Put it beneath the YouTube video and get absolutely nothing. Huh. Oh, nice. Grunge. Oh, those were the days, right? Number 11. Oh my god, that is so long ago. What's this? Ugh. Thinking about sweets all day long. Oh yeah, Maya, I remember Maya. Nadia, Oceans. Those are just nice images. What's wood? Not really. Maya? All right. So that's one big chunk that we fixed, right? The wallpaper, the background. Now, in the meantime, we're still busy. Mint X icons are there as well. Mint Y icons. I have to wait a little bit. That's what I want, the Mint Y icons. Now they've used the Horst 3180, which is the developer of the Arc theme, created, you see here, assets, this, and so on and so on. All kind of variations, dark aqua, dark brown, and also more gray, and so. But it's the derivatives of our beautiful blue Arc theme. Did I get anything else? No. So no cursors yet. Arc dark. I think we're too early to have a look. Oh, this is here already. What I like is I go often back to something. Let's see. This one might be nice. It does say mint white blue, but it's just an accent that it has. Right, a gray line here. So it's actually not the one I would like. I think it's still quite busy. So let's just wait a little bit. I need to let the cat in anyway. Well, I've waited a little bit so that everything is installed. All the choices we've made from the AOR are now installed. And we're getting there, right? So in the meantime, a logo of Linux Mint. Didn't do anything, right? Just paused it, let the cat in, and came back and waited for the script to finish. And what do we get? We get some more stuff. We have themes here. Captain cursors, look at that, right? I believe we have this one that we need. That's the one we need, I think. The black one. Where are you? Where are you? Here he is, right? Restart now. This is our virtual box, in case you were wondering, because now it's looking very similar than the one we're working on. Squash error. Just reboot. So right Control R. Ubuntu, right? Did you see the line? Ubuntu. Now Plymouth, no. Plymouth is not installed. I would be amazed if Plymouth would be installed with the stuff that I did, right? It's, well, ArchWiki Plymouth. Have a look. You need to do a lot more than just install a package. So this is the look here. So it's the black one. All right, that's a choice. We have this logo and those icons. All right, what do we have? We have this logo and these icons. So accessories, graphics, internet, accessories, graphics, internet. It's the same, right? The font is by choice. That's the Carli design. So font is something different. Just font selection and choose a different one. What do they have? They have Ubuntu regular and Sans regular and Ubuntu medium, right? So that's the difference between us, and that's okay. All right. So that's, I don't want to really make a copy paste, right? But just showing you that it's just settings, basically. It's all just settings. Here they have something bluish, blue line here, and we went for a gray line, but it's the same icons. Let's also try other, because there will be more. No, just these guys. Now, ooh, there are a few more themes. A few more, just a few more. The Y, I like the YY because it's not whitish, it's darkish. So Arc Dark is here. Let's, this is our Arch thing, in case you were still wondering, because hey, it all looks the same now. So NeoFetch, if it's installed, and it's not, it is. Oof. So now you know we're an Arch. So this thing that I'm moving about, this thing, it's all Arch. We have the Bibata Modern Classic in dark. We have Arc Dark, but there's so much more. There is the Aqua, which is more or less the same, right? It's bluish, but this kind of look. you could go for something orange, and it would be a little accent in orange, which basically we really don't see here, but there will be some accents somewhere. There we see something orange, and then back to blue it is. I think aqua comes close to arc blue. You choose. So if we take mint white dark, we should also take mint white dark aqua. So this line here in here is blue as well, because I was looking in here, but that's defined in this thing. So we need to select that, and then we have this blue line up here. That's basically all of this, I think, because red is really here. The lines underneath is red. I believe as well here somewhere there are some red things, and in here it's something red, but it's really minimal, right? So back to everything blue. Then I should take this one as aqua as well. So everything is in line. Everything is now bluish. Voila. So these are settings. We could change the font, which is not relevant, I think, right? I'm wondering where the black guy is. That's something I don't know. I know it's just a wallpaper, but so this one, the black one. Change desktop background. We did not see it. Here it's called Linux Mint, I guess. Maybe this one, I don't know. That one? Yeah. So it's this one, Linux Mint Sailor. But I did not comment across, but it's unimportant to put our time in it. It's just a wallpaper. Here maybe. Found it. So there you go, guys. We have also the USB, but when the image writer, you know it from ArcoLinux, little pop-up, drag the ISO in it, burn it, done. 50,000 times maybe. Every time it works, right? Etcher, okay, if you need to use it, but here it is. On ArcoLinux, on Carli, use the Mint stick. It is so reliable. I've told you so. Anything else I installed? I don't know. So this is new, the software that we installed. We should take a look at the software. LFTP, I want to get rid of that. Don't need it, don't want it on my system. It's now there because of ArcoLinux. The Releng list contains it. And on Carli, we kind of follow that. But we're free to do whatever we want. Right? I don't see any applications else that we should have a look at. So let's have a look here. Let's go to the accessories. We have a calculator. We have G calculator. Character map. Disks is GNOME disks that you should install. File renamer. Not sure which packages that would be. There's notes on board. Redshift screenshot. That's something important. Screenshots. Don't seem to have that. So it's still a few packages that we need. Warpinator is here. It was also on Yay, I believe. Yay Warpinator. Tried it once, worked once, and then didn't work anymore. So maybe it's a while, maybe a year or 2 years ago that I tested it. So it's just the number one, and you see if it works. It's basically to move a file from A to B without any samba in between, to connect to another computer system and share stuff. Warpinator. But I need to have another computer then. Secure mode something. Should enable something, but I'm not gonna do that. But he's looking for another computer. Make sure your network connection on the other end is active. that there are no firewall rules, that there's another wall prenator running on another computer in the network, if so, and so on, right? Tried it and played with it and it didn't work at the time, right? So give it a try. Pics and drawing, those are stuff definitely maybe we should check that. So still on Arch. Yes. Yay. Pics. I believe I saw that. Pics. Lots of pixes. If you don't like to read, you can see if it's already on the Arch by pacman-spics. And if it says I found, then it's there. Otherwise it's yay-spics. And if that exists, it's gonna build it. We're not gonna build it. Sound and video, so Rhythm Box, and that's Hypnotic, Celluloid, you know all these apps. They're available, LibreOffice is available. Calendar, go away. Internet transmission, web apps, we do have that too, I believe. Thunderbird, HexChat, web apps, it just isn't called like that. It isn't called like that, it's web apps. Is it? We have something on the ArcoLinux repos, and the name is not web apps, but something similar. Here's web apps. Okay, again, yay -s web apps. If it exists, could not find all required packages. Web apps seems to exist something. Pics we can build. Drawing, I don't have a name immediately in my brain that says yay this. Here it says pencil. Drawing, well, we can try it. Yay drawing. Yay drawing. Here is drawing. Application for the GNOME desktop. Okay. The update manager. Nope. Don't want to update. This is a virtual machine. Discard. Voila. I don't think I should stick here anymore. Of course, you can do more stuff and more installations, but basically the workflow has been explained. Check it out on Yay or Paru with AOR and see what things you think you're missing. But as usual, probably you'll have made your decisions already, and you have your software somewhere in a script like this one, and afterwards you say, let's install all the software that I love, right? And I'll run Nemesis again. It's trying to remove all my Chinese fonts from ArcoLinux, which are not there, which is okay, right? Remove all of this, which are not there, which is okay, and so on. It goes on and on and on, cleaning up, and there will be files. If you're on Carli, do this, and if you're on XFC, do that, and if you're on Cinnamon, do that, and if you're on Plasma, do that. It's all possible to tell in a bash script what it should do if it encounters something. Get rid of this, install that, copy paste that there, and everything will be set the way I like it with the software I have, right? Well, we have on ArcoLinux and on ArcoLinux. Voila, my what if is complete. Nothing more from me to venture and have a look at it, but it's fun to be back on Linux Mint, right? Normally I show the videos how to get rid of the theme of Linux Mint and put our Arc theme in here. Now I've done reverse, how to get the Linux Mint look back. All right, cheers.